I'm sitting in a 2017 Dodge Journey. We're going to be adding a proximity key. So here's our key here. Let's get started. Dodge Journey pin extraction 2017. Hazard lights are on now. Repin 0772. All right. Go back up. Key coding. Enter. Enter. Program keys. Enter. The pin is stored from the read, so we're going to hit OK. Enter. And we got to hold the fob up next to the switch. Press the unlock button. Okay. It says there are 3 keys now programmed. Okay. Complete. Press the button. That works. Turn it on. And it's on. It is done.